In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message host in Airbnb app. To get started, open the Airbnb app on your phone and sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you've used Airbnb before for other trips, since your messages and reservations are all connected there. Once you're inside the app, the next step is to find the place you want to ask about. You can do this in two different ways depending on your situation. If you're still exploring places to stay, search for the listing you're interested in. If you already booked a stay, simply open your existing reservation instead. Both options will let you reach the host through Airbnb's built-in messaging system. After that, tap on the listing to open the full details page. This is where you can review important information about the property, such as photos, amenities, house rules, and check-in details. If your question is something simple, it can be helpful to scan the listing first, since the answer may already be there. Now scroll down on the page until you see the option that says Contact Host or Message Host. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on the listing or whether you already have a reservation, but both options lead to the same place. Tap that button to open the message screen. When the message box appears, type your message clearly and directly. You might want to ask about availability, parking, check-in time, amenities, or anything else you need to know before booking or before your stay begins. Try to keep your message polite and specific so the host can answer you more easily. Before sending it, take a moment to review your message for accuracy. This is especially useful if you included dates, arrival times, or any special questions. A quick review can help avoid confusion and make the conversation smoother. Once everything looks good, tap Send to deliver your message to the host. Your message will be sent through Airbnb, which helps keep communication organized and secure within the app. After you send it, wait for the host to reply. When they respond, you'll usually receive a notification from Airbnb, so keep an eye on your phone or app alerts. From there, continue the conversation through Airbnb's messaging system until your questions are answered or your booking is confirmed. Keeping all communication in the app is the best way to stay organized and have a clear record of everything discussed. And that's how to message a host in the Airbnb app.